Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a weird start to this video because I did something stupid. As you can see, I have this new case, says GoPro. I am shooting on my my Osmo Action. But I did something stupid. I was dumb, messing around on the internet, and bought, let me get it open, a HERO9. Why did I buy a HERO9? Because I'm an idiot. HERO9 Black, the newest of the new. I have already taken this out, that's why it's got a fingerprint on it. And then I was like, shit, I should probably shoot a video on this. So here we go, here's the camera. Not gonna do much with it right now.
He's just like a big bulldozer. He just like goes
because I'm just not gonna do a review on it at this moment. I don't want to plug it in and do all that shit. But this weekend I am doing a video. I'm finally going out to a place where I can explore a little bit. And this is gonna be the camera I use. I will be bringing my Osmo fully charged with an SD card and everything, just in case this doesn't pan out. It will be a night shoot. So yeah, I bought the bundle, which you get this box, special bundle, which gives you a spare battery. Not sure if they give you an SD card, but I got an SD card, spare battery, magnetic, like, oh shit, it's like a gator clip thing. It's just piece. Oh, that is the GoPro charge cable in there. 2 batteries. You normally get 1 with the camera. This pack gives you 2. Got 1 mount. Your little screw johnnies. Another mount. A little helmet, curved helmet clip thing. Fuck, can't get my finger on it. Yeah, another screw thing. And then this handle, which it's meant for water, but I think I'm gonna use this more than my tripod when I'm doing shit. This feels a lot better in the hand. So yeah, that'll be the end of this clip. Next clip will be me fueling up, getting ready to go on my adventure that I have planned. I'm not sure if somebody's gonna be with me, if this is gonna be a solo adventure, not sure what's all going on. But the next clip you see from this video, we will be shooting with this camera. So right now, you know, this camera is 4K, 30 frames. It's what I always shoot with Rocksteady on. Meaning, you know, it's cuts down on the vibrations. This is supposed to shoot 5K. Where is it? Focus. It's not gonna focus. 5K. Yeah, 5K at 30, 4K at 60, 1080p, 240. So I still have to, you know, charge this up, play with the settings. I'm not gonna shoot in 5K. I might start in 5K, but I don't see the point in it, seeing as how nobody has anything that plays 5K. Even if you got one of those fancy fucking brand new top of the line TVs or monitors that's supposed to be 8K, quote unquote. I'm never gonna shoot that. 4K, 30 frames, doesn't use that much battery, doesn't use that much file size. So that's what we're gonna shoot. Probably the 4K 60 with that. Anyways, I'm talking too much. The next video will be, or the next clip in this video, this is the beginning of the video and it's really shitty, will be shooting with the GoPro, HERO9 Black. The new, see how it goes, see if it beats my Osmo. So, we will see you in a second in the next clip on the road.
Oh, you gotta get the wheel on the wheel.
What's going on, everybody? I don't remember what the last clip of this video was. but it was on the Osmo. We are now shooting on the GoPro HERO9 Black. Not that it matters because there's only one of them. We are doing, where are we at? 4K 30 frame, 4K 30 frames a second, linear, which is pretty much what I shoot on the Osmo. The clip before this was the Osmo. Now we're on the GoPro 9. Like I said, I don't remember what I said I was doing to test this camera, but now we are working on the Honda. And I'll show you in a second. Lower ball joint broke. So, yeah, this is gonna be the test for the camera. I'm not sure how much of this I'm gonna shoot because I need to get this done before it starts getting dark and cold. Pretty much this is just a test to see if this camera's worth of shit, because the testing I did last night with it's not. It's really not. My Osmo is a far superior camera. So, with that said, we are going to get started on this. I'm gonna figure out the time lapse on this camera. I haven't really fucked with it that much. And we're gonna get started. Alright, well, I ended up abandoning filming at work. I just hammered it out. It came right out. Like, I beat it up a little bit, but it'll get the job done. If this one goes bad, it's another $45. Hopefully it goes bad at home. So now we got to get this part out, which everything else came out just fine. So I got to pop this out, put it all back together. I'm not gonna film that unless something bad happens. If something bad happens, pick up the camera. If not, well, hold on. No? What the fuck? I don't want to do it all over. Hey, it worked. It's all done. It didn't take long. Okay. Bad edit, I know, but it's on, it's done. I got really lucky. Here's the other part that popped out. Wow, that thing's... Let's see if GoPro won't focus. God, that thing's been grinding away in there. But, so, there we go. All done. I mean, the camera wasn't too bad. I mean, looks good. It's all linear. Look at that. It should be linear. Why does it look like it's in fisheye again? I don't know. Maybe it changed. I don't fucking care. I will throw this in the editor and do the do. But thanks for taking this short little pain in the ass trip with me. I know it's boring and meh, but gotta try out the new camera, right? Hopefully this weekend I got a trip coming. Well, not really a trip, but little adventure. I'll be bringing the GoPro 9, the Osmo light, because it's gonna be a nighttime kind of little thing and some travel. But yeah, if you want to see me do more shit like this, working on the new Accord, if I ever work on that shit box again, the Prelude, hopefully some BMX content. I don't do tricks or anything, but I don't know. I got my four-wheeler, the pit bike, 2014 SSR. That will be a video coming up. It's a 125. I'm gonna start rebuilding a pit bike just for fun, just something to fuck around on, you know. Figure I have the winter to build it. Finally got it paid off, or finally paid it what I owed for it to a buddy of mine. So now I can actually work on it and not feel bad. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thanks for watching the video. If you like seeing stuff like this, just random stupid shit to waste your time, hit the subscribe button. DIY everyday fixing on your car. Subscribe, notification bell. Comments on what I could do better, what I do bad, leave them in the comment section, and we will hopefully see you guys this week and on our trip.